Managing appointments and scheduling bookings for vehicle washing and repairing services can be challenging for businesses. For this, you must have a WordPress website to make the booking process more smooth. There are so many vehicle washing and repairing booking plugins to support a business for an effective appointment scheduling process. One of the most feasible plugins is Washer among all. The plugin allows customers to book a car wash services online with customizable booking forms, payment integration, staff management, email notifications, analytics, and reporting features. With the right car wash booking plugin like Washer, businesses can simplify their booking process, improve customer experience, and increase revenue. The new vehicle service booking and scheduling plugin Washer, created by ThemeDev, is the most useful one. Let's have a look on its functions. Customers can easily schedule and manage their car maintenance needs by viewing available time slots and selecting a convenient time for their appointment. The plugin can support increasing the quantity of appointments, which may result in higher income for the company. Create a custom booking form with available fields for washing and repairing services. Send automated email notifications to customers and staff for appointment confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups. The online car wash booking plugin lets you select particular pages and locate a single form for customers to confirm reservations. Customers may access account settings, modify orders, and download invoices. Customers can see the booking summary on booking preview, total cost, subtotal, and total discount based on your reservation data. You can enable the feature by which the customers can see the available slots for booking and selecting one as they want. To access this amazing plugin, install the plugin and complete all the activation process. Let's show you all its features. After completing all the activation process, you will get a tab named Washer. There are 3 tabs: All Bookings, Settings, and Active License under the Washer. Click on All Bookings. Here will be presented all the available booking details. You can sort and filter the bookings as you want. You can also search for a particular booking. Go for Settings option. Here you have to enable the single form and My Account. Set a page and position to display the single form as well as My Account portion. Now you can manage all the style related functionalities for the form. Now it's turn to set up the single form. Set title and subtitle for the single form. You can also enable the tax and VAT section. Under the form data, here is Setup Type. Set the types of the vehicles from which your customers have to select the types of vehicle that can be washed and repaired. Enable packages and select a title for it to show all the prices and details about the services package system. For showing a packages, firstly, you have to create packages from this tab. Here are all available packages and options to create new and edit the existing package. If you don't want to enable the package system, then you can create service items by making an item list to provide the services. Let's have a look at the front section. Here is the single form. Your customer has to select a vehicle type and package to confirm a booking. If their package system is not available, then your customer has to select from the services menu. Now going back to the dashboard. Next one is setup time. Set a title and subtitle for this section. This part will allow your customers to select a particular time and date for having the service. You can also provide a service point that allows your customers to pick one available time for the service. Custom data creates a field where the customers can write about their extra requirements and any other comment. Access style to set up the style related features regarding the single form. In payment and settings, you will find the options to set up the booking summary, personal information, and payment method. You can also customize the styles of these sections by accessing the style. PDF invoice allows you to create perfect invoice for your customers. Next CRM provides the facility to connect with Next CRM. Your washer customers will automatically listen into Next CRM. You can set an email invoice and body templates to create a perfect email invoice. Lastly, you can import and export data by accessing the backup section. Always remember to save all changes after making any change. Let's confirm a booking. Select a vehicle type, choose a package for it, choose hours and dates as well as a service point. You can write for some additional requirements in this field. Here you can see the booking summary. Insert all the personal information like first name, last name, company, email address, phone number, vehicle model, type any message if you need, and then confirm your booking. Here is all the user-friendly process to access the plugin and confirm a booking in the easiest way.